Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to get to the Beanstack challenge. An easy way to get there is by going to the school website, and you can find the website, the link to Beanstack on our school website. When you get in, you will see this screen. And when you scroll down, you'll click this button to sign in. And then because I'm the teacher, I'm able to see all of your accounts, but I'm gonna log in as me and show you around. So every month there's gonna be a new challenge. So this month, our challenge has been posted. You just click on the challenge, and down here it will explain, give you an overview of what this month's challenge is. And so the challenge is to read books like us, and it's to celebrate diversity, harnessing the transformative power of seeing oneself reflected in a book. And it's also to read 500 minutes. So when you go to the different challenges, you can see how you earn the badges. And there are a lot of different badges that are offered. Right here on this page, you can see the badges that I've earned so far. So I have earned a total of 6 badges with the reading that I've logged. Last night I went into my calendar and I logged the reading. I went back in time to January 1st and logged different books that I finished. And then I also did an activity and earned a badge for that. So your goal every month is to earn 5 badges. And to earn badges, it's really easy. So up here, there's this little red button that says log reading. Just click that and you can log minutes or do an activity. So to log minutes, you'll just click on this clock and you pick the day that you're logging for. So all of these dates with the green dot are different days where I logged reading. So if I click on the 13th, which is today, I can go ahead and add that I read 30 minutes today, and the book that I am reading is called The Queen of Sorrow. My dog has a bone right now, and it's really intense. She's like having a really fun time. So anyway, so The Queen of Sorrow, and it's by Holly Black. It's a trilogy that I am finishing up. I am not going to leave a review today, but I am every month going to ask, or I'm sorry, once a quarter I'm going to ask you to leave a review, but we'll talk more about that later. So I just log it in there, and now it's saved, and look, I just earned another badge. So that was really easy. So I just filled in when I read. Now another way you can earn badges is by doing an activity. So I have already learned about this new author, Cosby Cabrera, but there are other authors I can learn about. And I know Sharon Draper, so we're going to click on Sharon Draper. So to complete an activity, you're learning about a new author, and you can learn about her. They'll give you her website, her handle for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then they'll link to information about her that you can pull up. There's videos where you can watch. This is a background information about her book called Stella by Starlight, which I actually have in the classroom, a signed copy if anyone wants to read it.
When my grandmother passed away, she gave something to my father that was very, very special to her.
And then, so you can watch this whole video, and then you can click on other videos and learn about other books that Sharon Draper has written. So that's one activity, and then you go back to the challenge and you would answer the question. Something fun or interesting that you learned about Sharon Draper. And then you would do the other 2 activities, and then you'd earn a badge for learning about her. So that is how you earn badges. Your goal every month is to earn 5 badges in order to get a 100 for your independent reading. And remember, when you're logging your reading, so I'm going to go back here to log and just give you an example. For example, let's say last Friday you were in language arts class, and in class together, you guys read for 30 minutes and you read Tangerine. Or maybe you read Call of the Wild, or whatever you read in language arts, that counts too. Or whatever you read in reading, if you had some time in class to read in reading class, you can even put 10 minutes. You don't have to put 30 minutes or an hour. You can just log as much time as you spend. And just keep up with it. And like I said in my directions, you can log in. So I logged all these minutes last night, the ones with the green dots. So you can just log into here once a week and update your reading for the whole week. You don't have to do it every single day. So that's what Beanstack is like. Pretty easy, all in one place to keep track of your reading and do your goal setting. And I'm excited for us to do Beanstack together. Yay! Bye!